Welcome back to the channel. So I picked up what I would consider my ultimate holy grail gun. But beforehand, I really want to say thank you to Shlisa. She sent me a buttload of these custom candles that she makes, and this one has an AR sticking out of it. So, okay, so I have a few things on my my holy grail list, and the one that I didn't think I would ever get is this one in the box. This is the Smith Wesson Model 610 Gen 1, and in the box I actually have the original moon clips, all of the original paperwork, and the unused toolkit. If you don't know anything about the Smith Wesson Model 610, this is a single action, double action revolver chambered in the mighty 10mm round. Now, with this, because this is a pistol cartridge, if you put them in there, the extractor doesn't work. But you actually can shoot this gun by loading them manually like this. You might have an issue taking them out. No big deal. You can keep like a wooden dowel stick with you, and you can tap them out. Otherwise, you can use something like these moon clips, kind of like a speed loader. When you're all done, you can eject the whole thing and you're ready to go. That's, of course, if you were actually going to shoot it. Something as priceless as this, I don't know if I could possibly have it be anything but a safe queen, or maybe even a safe king. I'm not entirely sure, but the Gen 1 was produced between 1990 and 1992, because by 92 the sales of, or should I say, the popularity of the 10mm round was dropping. Thankfully, if you're a fan of the 10mm round, which all you need is one of these trigger pulls, and you will be sold on it. It is a 6.5-inch barrel. It does have adjustable sights. It has the rounded grip. It is an N frame, and I had a bunch of my really good friends, like I don't know, I guess they assumed I was gonna go out and go crazy and shoot it, but I received 10 of these style moon clips and 10 of this style, and what I mean by it is you can see the larger cavities on these. These ones really do load and unload a little bit more friendly than this one. And then just because I wanted everything to be together and to have it look authentic, even though I'm not planning on ever shooting it, I picked up a whole bunch of these moon clips, and then I received another 10 of them from my friend jdawg. Just because if I ever had it out on display, I wanted it to look legit, like like I was gonna actually shoot it, where I don't really plan on it. I'm just gonna just every now and then I might take it out, like holidays, have it as a centerpiece on the table for like Thanksgiving and Christmas, and we all can just sit and look at it. Every now and then I might even put it out on the mantle. But yeah, the Smith Wesson 610 chambered in 10mm. just to be able to find a first generation like this in this kind of shape is just unbelievable. They did actually introduce it again. I believe it was in 1998. They came out with this for a short time. It didn't really stick around long. And then in 2019, they actually, Smith & Wesson reintroduced this, so you can actually get one. And that's really what I thought I was going to end up having to settle for, is picking up the new version. I just really wanted this one. Biggest difference is this one has the firing pin on the hammer, which is the proper place as far as I'm concerned to put it, and of course it also has the Clinton hole. The Clinton hole, just like this one, right there, so that you can lock it. So I just wanted to show you guys this. I am as stoked as it gets to be able to get my hands on one of these and just be able to enjoy it for its beauty. And I'll be wiping the smudge marks off of it and putting it back in the safe. So any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Otherwise, cheers, guys. This is awfully reminiscent. Who would have a Holy Grail gun and not enjoy it? Will be my first shots out of the Gen 1 Smith & Wesson 610. And of course, that is chambered in 10mm. So, I got plate set up at 25 yards. Oh, there's just something about the power of the 10mm, and to actually get a hold of this guy. I got the moon clips. Now you don't have to use the moon clips on this guy. It just speeds up the whole process. Okay, let's this thing is absolutely beautiful. What? We should do that again? Few of the reloads from my brother-in-law. 180 grain. I also want to thank a few people. Recently, I got a mystery delivery of some moon clips. I think I know who sent those ones. I also Was given a bunch of really nice ones from jdawg, my buddy jdawg. You should be here, up here, enjoying this right now, jdawg. He'd be like, "Ooh, well, it would have helped if you called." What? You want to do this again? Okay. Far be it from me to say no. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. I love this revolver.